Welcome to Mrs. Ankram's Music Room. Today I'm going to teach you a body percussion piece called Boom, Snap, Clap. Ready? Just watch it the first time here. That's it. But eventually you want to be able to do it a little faster. Now, let me break it down for you. So with body percussion, you're using your body to make different sounds, and you're putting that to some kind of a rhythmic pattern. So for the low sound here, let's think of a drum set, okay? So you've got the kick, which is the bass drum. That's what we're doing on our chest. You have the snare drum. Maybe that is what we're doing with our snaps. And then you have the hi-hat that makes that higher sound. Okay, so imagine now your body has become a drum kit. And let's actually try it once, saying it and doing it. So if I slow it down and I speak the words while I do it, that'll help get all of the different parts to line up exactly the way we want. 1, 2, we start with the boom. Boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, shh. Why don't we try it again? Ready, go. Boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, shh. Boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, shh. All right, so that's a fun challenge for you to learn that song. Start slow and then speed it up. Just like if you watched my ham bone video or our old arcs of movering, any type of body percussion, you want to start doing it slowly, speak it and do it. That's going to help you a lot while you're learning. And then after you've mastered it, think through, what's a different way to do this? Maybe instead of having the boom being up here, maybe we could do it here. That makes a low sound. What would it sound like if instead of doing the boom up on our chest, we do it here? Let's just replace the boom down here and we'll keep the snap and the clap exactly the same. You want to try it? Ready, go. Boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, shh. That's another way. So you can think of a different way to do that same rhythm, or get even more creative. Maybe try reversing the pattern, or try using these different sounds and put them in a different combination to make a different rhythmic pattern. There's so many things that you can do with body percussion to be creative, to have fun, to use your brain. So I hope you guys enjoyed Boom, Snap, Clap. Should we do it one more time before we sign off? Let's do it one more time, and let's speak it and do it at the same time, and then you can go and do this body percussion piece all on your own. Maybe find someone to teach it to, or maybe make up your own body percussion piece. All right, let's try it one more time. 1, 2, start with the boom. Boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, ba-boom, snap, shh. All right, I give you the body percussion challenge. If you come up with your own body percussion piece, I would love to hear about it. So go make music on your own, get creative, and have some fun. Thanks for stopping by Mrs. Ankram's Music Room, and we'll see you around.